Innowise welcomes you on our journey through the turnkey software development process for small and medium businesses. Let us walk you through the stages and deliverables involved in it. Every great project starts with a business idea. But what if you have a general vision but no understanding of the technical implementation? Innowise will help to elaborate the concept during a discovery phase. First, our business analyst, software architect, and delivery manager communicate with stakeholders to define the business needs, project scope, and time and budget constraints. Then, they analyze the requirements and elaborate a comprehensive project proposal and a vision and scope document with a list of prioritized features, solution architecture, technological stack, work breakdown structure, and cost estimates. When it comes to project implementation, we establish a robust foundation by designing the software's architecture and database structure. Then, using this framework, we refine the UI/UX, ensuring a seamless integration of technical functionality and user-centric design. The software development stage is where lines of code turn ideas into reality. Our teams typically use agile methodologies to deliver new features and incremental value to your business during each sprint. We will keep you informed through regular reports and progress meetings that cover team accomplishments, performance analysis, and next sprint planning. Innowise ensures software quality from the very beginning of the development process. Based on the requirements, we plan a quality assurance strategy and perform manual and automated tests. After testing and debugging, we demo the product. This may be followed by user acceptance testing or beta testing with selected users to refine the product before a broader launch. It's time to deploy. Our DevOps engineers are part of the project from the start, building and maintaining the infrastructure for smooth software development and release. They ensure correct installation, efficient operation in the production environment, and availability of the software. Empowering users through training and documentation is the next crucial step. As needed, we conduct user training sessions and provide you with training materials and user manuals. Our commitment doesn't end with deployment. As the software is developed, we continue to provide support and maintenance to further enhance it. That's our comprehensive software development approach, combining collaboration, creativity, and dedication to transform business concepts into reality. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you're ready to bring your software idea to life, we're here to help.